So all I want to say to you right now is stay calm, stay patient, stay present, because the market, yes, as the market's pulling back right now, there's actually a few things that I want you to really understand about the markets, about the way they work, and about what is likely to happen moving forward. And that's what I want to share with you right now, especially on the stock markets. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders, let's get straight into it. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you grab my free trading course. Or actually, it wasn't free, it is free now. Link below, guys. You can see the 4 phases through there. If you need help with anything, go get access to that free trading course. I guarantee you're going to absolutely love it. And also there's a bonus welcome video you get there as well too. Bit of a secret video that it's not actually in the trading course, but yeah, you'll be able to see what it is. Anyway, link below, guys. Now, all I want to say is this, guys. Right now, isn't this market amazing? Just incredible. I'm actually short a few stocks right now, and I am enjoying this ride down, baby. Ride it, ride it, ride it, ride it. Right? So, I hope you guys are positioned nicely as well too. So I'm in long positions as well too. And the beauty thing about my long positions is they just really went sideways. A little down day on my long positions. Not really much. A few break evens. And one that's really just small down, just nicely small, but small down. It went down a little bit, okay? Small. Right. So, the thing that I'm looking at here right now on the Dow Jones is that, yes, we've started to roll over here and we've started to pull back here a little bit more. There is a bit of a pullback here. So we may continue to see a bit more selling, but this correction we're getting right now is not my belief, and I could be dead wrong. Bit of a splat, right? Is not the top in the markets, okay? We are nowhere near the top in the markets. This pullback here is just a correction, and once this correction is over, whether it takes a week, whether it takes 2 weeks, right? Maybe it's for the rest of this month, and then October, November, December, we start to see the slingshot move back to the upside. But I'm telling you right now, guys, the big boys in this big correction, the big boys right now are probably seeing this as a bit of a gift to start to see some more big side and more big movement to the upside. You can see we're actually having a very, 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 very nice movement to the upside. We're getting a bit of a pullback here right now on the S&P. So we may still get a little bit more of a pullback out of the Dow Jones. We may still get a little bit more of a pullback, which would make, if we actually did get down to this longer term trend line, which may or may not be support, we have to wait and see. So from the highs down to the lows, we've already made just over 5.5%. So if we got down to the trend line, we'd be looking at about 8 or 9% correction there. So we're probably likely to maybe even get down to there on the Dow Jones. Oh geez, looking at the S&P 500, and we're doing the same thing, right? Just a bit of a pullback right now. And while we may still see some more downside out of this here, this is probably likely to be bought into. And I truly, honestly believe that looking at this here, looking at the trend analysis and this big long-term weekly charts, that as you can see, very high lows, so a bit of a pullback here. It's going to be a nice, healthy pullback in this massive long-term bull market. It's probably going to create another higher low here soon, and then away we go. And just like you can see back here, and this is something I've been saying to you guys for the last couple of what's the word for it? Man, I have just lost my marbles. Some of you guys saying, John, you never had them. It's all right. I had a private coaching session with my clients today. Man, they're crushing it. I'm so proud of you guys. So we can see here, right? We're getting a bit of a pullback, right? As you can see right here, this pullback here, guess what? Nice, healthy pullback before we see a move to the upside. So I just see this thing probably having a bit of a pullback through here. And then guess what? And then we're probably likely to see some really big moves to the upside. So this is actually a good thing, guys, because Donkey Kong is coming to town, right? Donkey Kong, he's coming to town, guys, but he may be asleep right now, right? He's just like, oh, yeah, you know what? Donkey Kong and Santa Claus is going to come soon, but they're not here yet, so. So the whole purpose of me saying that there, guys, is that on a serious note, that this pullback here is just a nice healthy correction, and just like we got back to here, see how we were going up and up and up from here, right? Remember I said before, or what I've said in the last week is that generally once a year, we get a healthy correction between 7, maybe 6, 7, 10% on the downside. And just like we got back here, right, from high to low, look what happened. It was almost 11, it was just over 10% downside, which is a correction. And then guess what happened? We continued on the upside. So if we continue this downward correction that we're seeing right now, guess what? We are now likely, this correction here has a massive probability of being bought into, and then we're likely to see some more upside. So to me, this is a gift. To me, it is a massive gift because it's actually helping me. There's some stocks that I'm looking at that I want to get into, but it's this here is potentially helping create those patterns that I'm looking at when it comes to the markets there. So we can see that that's what's happening on the S&P 500. Very big upward movement. I wouldn't be too surprised if we did see some more downside out of this here on the short term. But in the big picture schemes of things, guys, if you said, okay, look at where we are right now, and come December 31st this year, are we lower or higher? I say we're much, much, much higher than where we are right now. So that's where I'm playing it, guys. That's where I view the markets right now. And even on the Nasdaq, right? The Nasdaq has had a big pullback. Look at this weekly chart. There's nothing wrong with this. It's actually a beautiful, beautiful, right, upward trend. Here we go. Can I get my drawing trend lines up? There we go. Right. So we have a move up. We have a higher low, higher low. Look at this here, right? So every time we get a pullback, higher low, move up. Now we're getting another higher low. Guess what? We're probably going to get another higher low, and away we go. I still have a 17,000 target on the Nasdaq. I may be wrong. I may be completely wrong. But I reckon we have a massive, I reckon above 80% probability that we're going to see maybe a continuation, or a bit more of a continuation. Right now, it's a bit of a question mark whether we continue down or not. But this is going to be a gift. This is going to be an opportunity to buy the dip, and in different stocks and so on and so forth. So I truly believe we're likely to see that. And once again, I actually do have a 17,000 target, which is up there on the Nasdaq, which we're actually not. Well, I was looking at the weekly chart. That's pretty far away, doesn't it? Daily charts. This is the daily chart here. So the daily chart needs to get it. So I still actually have a 17,000 print by the end of this year, guys, for the Nasdaq, like I have done for so long now. So I do see this thing is probably likely to see a very, very, very big move upside. So in a nutshell, guys, please stay calm. Please don't be emotional about what's happening right now in the markets. You're going to get a lot of people saying that the top's in, the crash is starting, especially people that have been calling the top. Every year there seems to be a top with those guys. And so, guys, right now we are just getting a strong, healthy pullback right now. Expect it. And this correction here has a massive probability that over the next maybe week or two, as this thing continues down, maybe even the Dow Jones continues down more towards my longer term trend line, down through to here on the markets. But then we're probably likely to start to see a very big move up. It may not even do that, guys, because we are at a pretty strong, significant support level around this level through here. As you can see, around that sort of 33 to 30. So around this level here is probably the market's probably likely to buy into it. So I wouldn't want to be short in this market overall. This is not the top yet anyway. And I do see we're probably likely to hold here for a bit. Just like, look at what actually happened back here, right? This is exactly what happened back here as well too. You can see how we just held for a while and then we started the run. We're holding for a while. And then I do see we're probably likely to start to see a very nice move up. But I do see, guys, we may still see a bit more selling coming into this month. But the overall big picture is to the upside. So, guys, please, just stay calm. To me, and the market is a transformation. Like this, the market transfers from the impatient to the patient. And also those who are emotional make very, very bad decisions. So try to stay non-emotional, because the more non-emotional we can get about these bars, the better trader you'll be. And the better trader you are, the more money you will make. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new Breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years. And I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.